also sometimes sharing the work opportunity. Let us see what's possible with this one. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, let us complete. This is not our subject. Then you come in this group, which is looking like that with Berlin Tower. Then come here to the description. Okay. Yes, brothers and sisters, you come here under the description and press see more. You are going to find another link. You just press it, it will take you to other website. Okay, and this website is specialized to find job in Germany. And the best thing and the very good thing in this website, it will make the work opportunity clear for you, and you are able to make filtration for the job available as per your requirement, exactly specialized in the language matter. So whatever you are talking, whatever your mother language, you are going to find job in this country, in Germany, in Europe. So let's start with the language category. You can find job for yourself if you are talking Arabic. You can find job for yourself if you are talking Chinese, if you are talking English, if you are talking France, if you are talking Japanese, if you are talking Korean, if you are talking Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Swedish, even Turkish also. So whatever you are speaking, whatever your mother language, you can find your work chance in Germany. So just this website, it will give you big support to find your right job and you build your best future here in Germany. So in the other filter, brother, you have here, just you can write the keyword for your position which you are looking for. Okay, and this side you can write the city in Germany where you would like to work. The most famous city in this website, which they are listing the job in this website, the companies from Berlin, from Hamburg, from Munich, the mention, and from Frankfurt and Main. So you can also identify the city which you want by just pressing above the city wherever you want to work. So wherever or whatever your language, you just press about the language which you want to work with and press above the city where you want to work. Then you write here the keyword for your work. We can write here, we have to give you as example to make everything clear for you and for all other people. So we are going to take sample for, we start with English language, then we start with Chinese also. Okay, we start with English first, then the second example we will make it for Chinese people. So we press above English. So now all this work required engineer, like the keyword. Let us write engineer as example. Okay, so we write engineer. Automatic the website update as per the keyword which you write it here. Then we press for English again, and the city as example, I want to work as civil engineer or as engineer. Let us write also civil to more identified. Civil engineer. In English language, number 2 we have to press. Then number 3 we go and press above the city. As example, I want to work in Hamburg. I don't want to work in other city. Maybe my cousin living there or my friend living there in Hamburg. I want to work with him in the same city. So we're the website going to show us whatever civil engineer chance we have in Hamburg, and it's in English language. So this is the list. Civil engineer in Hamburg, is all in Hamburg. Structural engineer, industrial system engineer, and this is also by sometimes it will come from other category, but anyhow it's focused for civil engineering, senior consultant, and let us focus about mechanical engineer, zum Beispiel, or mechanical. So now it came all the mechanical engineer, you see, also in Hamburg. Mechanical, not engineer, we did not write engineer, so here we have mechanical technician also. Okay. The second example, let us start with Chinese people. Yes. So our second example is Chinese language. So I just recommend or advise you, when you are identify the language, better to keep it at the beginning. Keep the city is free, open. So don't write here anything in the city, because sometimes it is difficult to find only in one city when you are identify the language. So better to keep it at the beginning open, and then later you can identify. And so we can just press now. Look, press above Chinese. They need here Chinese speaking art director, team leader in Berlin. They need also Chinese merchants in Cologne city. Strategic purchasing manager, China, in Berlin. See? So junior researcher, China, in Hamburg. Whatever you find here and you want to know the city, just make a copy from the city, like zum Beispiel, or as example, Cologne. Make a copy and just open the Google map and you press the city name in the search, and you're going to find Cologne. This is the name also for the Cologne. It is South Dortmund, South Essen, South Düsseldorf. So this is the Cologne, okay? This is Hanover, and this is Bremen. So this is the work opportunity linked in this place. So let's go back to our website. Let's take one more example for Japanese people. Let us see. See here, brother. In mention there is also work chance for Japanese speaking fully qualified lawyers for documents. They are looking for lawyers, Japanese lawyer or the Japanese lawyer. Japanese and English speaking student advisor. You see, whatever you are looking for, which language you are talking, you can find job in Berlin or in Germany, brother. So this is important website, Italiano, Arabic language, whatever. So please share this website to your friends to let them find them job if they are looking to work in Germany. And don't forget to make like for our website, for our channel, for our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe, because we have more what we apply, more than what we apply now. Just keep in touch and you are going to see what you are interested or what you are waiting from us. And whatever you have question or what you are looking for, just inform me and I'm going to find the best advices and best option to you. At the end, my best wishes for all to find the right opportunity to build the best future for everybody. Thank you for listening.